Hello, in front of me I have Amazfit GTS 4 Mini, and I'm gonna show you how to change the date and time format on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu by swiping up and down on the screen, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, you should see the option called watch face and time. Tap on it. And here, as you can see, we have time format and date format. To change the time format, tap on the time format option and select one of the options. We have 12-hour time, 24-hour time, and follow the phone. If you select 12-hour time, you will have the 12-hour format. If you select 24-hour format, you will have the 24-hour format. And if you select follow phone, it's gonna be mirroring your phone basically. And once you're done, you can go back and tap on the date format. And here we have again year first, month second, and day last. Day first, month second, and year last, and the day first, or other month first, day second, and the year last. So select the one you like, and then press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the time and date format on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.